This video is for the roofers out there. SpexLite can now be used in roofing compounds. This is our SpexLite 6724. They are small EPS beads made in the USA. They are non-toxic, ultra-lightweight, and absorb essentially no liquid. Thus it makes the 6724 an ideal low-cost resin extender for roofing compounds. And all you need to do is simply add 20% of SpexLite 6724 by volume to your roofing compound and mix. The SpexLite 6724 mixes and blends very easily with the roofing compound. There are 4 benefits from this solution. First is that you will see a 20% improvement in your material cost. Second, as freight keeps rising, you will be able to save on shipping costs. Third improvement will be in its weight reduction by up to 20%. Last thing is helps with improving the flow of the material because of the rounded shape of the SpexLite 6724. If you have questions, we would love to hear from you. Please reach out any way you prefer. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.